So it's nice to come back and see it. Oof, I got emotional.
Welcome to our hotel room in San Antonio. We're at Aloft Hotel and Suites, I think. And this is our room for the next day. Right behind you is the bathroom, but we'll show that in a minute. And come along this way. So we got a really nice room. I just like the style of this room. It's like it's really open, feels very spacious. Like the king size bed, obviously, that'll be awesome to sleep on. You have like this chase. I like the LG screen, just like the decor in general. This place looks really cool.
When did you notice this?
I noticed it when we came in. See, that's the woman, and that's the guy, pixelated.
It was awesome.
It's a retro look. So I guess I'm supposed to sleep on this side and you on this?
I always sleep on that side anyway. No, actually, I sleep on that side. We'll figure it out.
Pretty cool. And then if you come with me this way, back towards the entrance, you get the bathroom area, like the faucet. It's pretty cool. And so here's your closet space. So you got hangers to hang up your, like if you have coats, jacket, blazers, whatever, put your suitcase, there's ample space. And since we don't have a shelf or drawer, right, can't really say, hey, let's check out the shelf to see what they have in there. But like, you have the Book of Mormon and the Holy Bible. So you're into reading those texts. And then you get a safe and coffee machine. So far, so good. I guess this is like a magazine rack. And more space up there, but they didn't leave like a stool. And oh, here's the mini fridge. I was wondering where it was. So here's the mini fridge. And then the bathroom. I know it might not look like it has a door, but it's a sliding door.
Slider.
Oh, there's, oh.
That way you can see
cool.
Maria.
Yeah. And then
It's a nice
you
room.
your toilet and see-through bathroom. So far so cool.
Nice shower head.
Yeah. Come this way. And if you need some privacy for your clothes.
Privacy for your clothes.
You can close that. This is definitely not a good angle. It's weird.
You should have seen how I was filming you. I could see your big papa.
Oh no.
Big sweet, potato salad.
Double chin?
Double chin. We call it potato salad.
Yeah, so yeah.
How does it feel to be here after 10 years? Oh, almost 10 years. I would say it's like 9 years. Maybe.
Yeah, it's actually very nostalgic because I recognize a lot of the places.
Yeah.
Like when we were traveling on the highway, it's like, oh, I remember this, I remember this. And if you take this road, you get here and stuff, so it's very nostalgic.
And most of the places, surprisingly, are still there, like the stores and the restaurants, which is awesome. It says a lot about San Antonio. That it's
like a lot of the businesses are still there. You know how sometimes, a lot of times, especially in the space of 9 to 10 years, the landscape will change. You know, businesses will go down, other businesses come up. But we noticed that a lot of the ones that we did remember is like, oh, there's going to be a Luby's right here after this, you know, building or whatnot, and it was still there.
It was still there.
We still haven't been to our old apartment building.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna go there just to take a look and you know and go to the taco place that was right next to it.
So that means we've been in the U.S. for 10 years together.
Yeah. All together, we've been in the U.S. for 10 years.
That's
I mean,
crazy.
straight 10 years straight because I've been here before. You know,
me too. As a student, and you when you were a kid.
Yeah, I used to live in
Queens.
Copperas Cove.
Back in Texas, yeah. 'Cause you moved a lot.
Yeah, because I moved around a lot. So Copperas Cove, and then I went to live in Puerto Rico, and then I ended up in New York. And then after you know I grew up and an adult, I moved in with Maria to San Antonio. And I remember when she told me, I'm moving to Texas. I was like, no, I don't
like it.
Yeah, because I had like my parents got divorced when they were in Texas, so I didn't have like the best memories. But you know, and while we lived here, I also took it for granted. Because I couldn't find work. I was just out of college and I couldn't find work. It's like, oh man, Texas, I can't find work. But, I mean, I like that we started out really, how do you say? we didn't find success right away.
It was a humble beginning for sure.
Yeah, it was a humble beginning. So that has taught us to, you know, to be humble, and we appreciate the things that we can do now because we weren't able to do them back then.
We were making like 29,000 as a household in Texas, which in Texas it
didn't seem that bad at the time. It didn't
seem that bad because we had a nice apartment and we had one car.
Yeah, it was decent.
It was decent. Yeah, we would go to the movies maybe once a week. So
yeah, on Sundays because the matinee, so we would only pay $6 per ticket. So those are the kind of things that we could afford to do.
So it's nice to come back and see. Oof, I got emotional.
It's okay. It's nice, and I really appreciate Texas and San Antonio in general. I really like it. It's a really nice town. It's really a family-oriented kind of city. Like there's a lot of family-oriented activities and stuff to do. It's really nice, and I hope through these videos you're able to see like the beauty of this city and enjoy it because it's.
I can't look at the camera.
Maria's really emotional.
I'm sorry.
Maria's really emotional.
We made a lot of friends here, and we grew up professionally.
Yeah, we grew up professionally here. This was the start.
Good. We started the blog here.
Yeah.
The actual blog, but Delicias, and then it became Kimchi and Beans and all that.
Yeah, like I remember when I moved here, I didn't know how to cook like at all, right?
Yeah, and now he's a chef because I never cook anymore.
Chef my butt, but you know I can cook.
You can cook now.
I can cook now. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm a chef, but I can cook.
You got a good steak. Like you do the basic stuff really well. So.
And my brother taught me that hey, you don't need to separate whites anymore. I was like,
for the clothes.
Yeah, I was like, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, dude, the detergents now. You can throw everything together. Dan, not all pieces of clothes you can do that with.
Yeah, that's true.
So
the whites won't be totally white.
Yeah, you still have to separate some, and yeah, you gotta separate the whites if you want them really bright and stuff like that. But we don't wear a lot of white clothes anyway, so not a big problem. All right, well, guys,
we're gonna be showing you a little bit of San Antonio and going to our favorite places. So
we're gonna take a little nap and then continue on with this day because it's not over.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you like the tour of this room. For now, this is it.
All right.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Dude, there's a perfectly good bed. You just like the chase?
I just want to lie down here. I mean, yeah.